Morning.
Morning, Mom.
What is your name?
My name is Mary Grace. My name is Mary Grace Tanines.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What is your education level?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Can you read and write English?
Yes, Mom.
Are you married or single?
I'm married, Mom.
If married, how many children?
I have two children, Mom.
How old are your children?
The eldest mom is 8 years old and the other one is 4 years old.
Where did you stay? In the province or here in Manila?
In the province, Mom.
Do you have experience before working here in the Philippines or in other country?
I have experience in Philippines, Mom.
How long?
2 years, Mom.
From what year?
Household, Mom.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, Mom.
What kind of food?
I
Philippines.
cook Filipino dish, Mom, like adobo, sinigang, menudo, caldereta, etc.
Do you know how to take care baby?
Yes, Mom.
How old is the baby you took care?
4 years old to 1 year old, Mom.
Who is the baby?
My own children.
Do you like take care newborn baby?
Yes, Mom.
So do you know how to take care elder people?
Yes, Mom.
How old is the elder people?
I think it's 70 to 60 years old, Mom.
Who is the elder people?
My grandfather and my grandmother, Mom.
So do you willing to help elder people take a bath?
Yes, Mom.
Can you car wash?
Yes, Mom.
Can you drive car?
No, Mom.
Can you ride bicycle?
Yes, Mom.
Can you finish your contract for 2 years?
Yes, Mom.
Do you smoke cigarettes?
No, Mom.
Are you afraid of dog like are you afraid of pet like dog?
No, Mom.
Do you have allergies?
No, Mom.
Do you know how to garden or any knowledge in gardening?
Yes, Mom. Actually, it's my hobby, Mom.
Can you promise not to bring friends inside the house or any place near to the house of your employer?
Yes, Mom.
Now, why do you want to work in other country? Explain why.
I want to work in the other country, Mom, because I want to help my children and also my husband and my family. Thank you very much, Mom. Hopefully you can give me a good employer.
Okay, thank you.